Ask इसके अंदर comment on the organizational factors that could have contributed to the poor health and safety capture at the Holiest company. Step 1, understanding the command word. The word is comment. What are organizational factors? First one, leadership. Leadership defines how the MD behaves. Okay. Policy means written safety rules. Training means worker education, communication, information sharing, resources, money, equipment, people, and culture, attitude towards safety. For example, start like this: in terms of leadership, the MD regarding training the organization. ठीक है. जैसे ये मैंने लिखा है, मेरे दरवाजे से ये लिखा है. So in terms of leadership, the MD filled. जैसे देखो तुमने लिखा filled his role as a poor leadership. तो यहाँ पर क्या होना चाहिए था? Demonstrated poor leadership. रीज़न क्या? मोर नेचुरल फ्रेज. अबाउट एक्सीडेंटल मतलब अबाउट एन इंसिडेंट वेरी लिखना था. मेंटेनेंस वर्कर इंटरेड लिखना था. फैमिली मेम्बर ऑफ मेंटेनेंस वर्कर इंटरेड पूरा. ब्रोक हिज लेग मतलब सफर्ड ए ब्रोकन फुट. मस्ट टेक केयर ऑफ ओन सेफ्टी मीन्स वॉज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर दियर ओन सेफ्टी. नो वन इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल मीन्स dismissing any organizational responsibility. Okay. जैसे in terms of leadership, the MD demonstrated poor leadership as he refused to pour an incident where a family member of a maintenance worker entered the site and suffered a broken foot, dismantling any organizational responsibility. Okay. Scenario 2, regarding risk management, the organizations. जैसे आई वॉज टोल्ड को नहीं लेना, यहाँ पर लेना द एमडी स्टेटेड एज स्टेटेड. ठीक है. नथिंग लाइक रिस्क असेसमेंट मीन्स नो सच थिंग्स एज रिस्क. एवरीवन्स एक्ट और रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, यहाँ पर लिखना था एवरीवन इंडिविजुअल्स ऑन रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. फर्दर मोर नॉट नीड टू लिखना था फर्दर मोर रिस्क असेसमेंट वर कंसिडर्ड. प्रॉपर सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर. वेस्टिंग ऑफ टाइम लिखना था यहाँ पर ए वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम, करेक्ट ग्रामर. एंड असिस्ट की जगह लिखना था एंड रिसोर्सेज. जैसे रिगार्डिंग रिस्क मैनेजमेंट, द एमडी स्टेटेड देयर वाज नो सच थिंग्स एज रिस्क एंड दैट सेफ्टी वाज एवरी इंडिविजुअल्स ओन रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. Furthermore, risk assessment were considered as a waste of time and resources, which meant the organization had no system to identify or control workplace hazards. Means no system to identify or control workplace hazards. This is very powerful. Nebos language always use it. ठीक है. अभी देखो रिमेनिंग कम्युनिकेशन मतलब वर्कर स्टॉप रिक्वेस्टिंग सेफ्टी इक्विपमेंट. रिसोर्सेज नो रिवर्सिंग. ठीक है. वर्कर कंसल्टेशन मतलब एमडी लाफ्ड एंड वॉकड अवे. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट तुमने लिखा ये, यहाँ पर करेक्ट किया इसने. द वर्कर टोल्ड एंड रिमाइंडेड. तो यहाँ पर तुम यू कुड वर्कर्स रिपीटेडली रिपोर्टेड. ठीक है. ए चाइल्ड इंटर्स डेली मतलब चिल्ड्रन वर रेगुलरली इंटरिंग द साइट. ओपन होल ऑफ फेंस नीडेड टू बी क्लोज मीन्स द होल इन द पैरामीटर फेंस रिक्वायर्ड अर्जेंट रिपेयर. Lorries have no reversing alarm means vehicles were not equipped with reversing alarms. Requested many times मतलब made repeated request. Provide solution as soon as possible मतलब address the safety concern. The MD laughed and walked मतलब the MD dismissed these concern by laughing and walking away. ठीक है. हिसाब से consistency ignored means not once but every time they ignored it. very powerful. ठीक है. रिसोर्सेज क्या हो गए? ओल्ड ट्रक्स हो गया, नो कैमरास, ब्रोकन फेंस हो गया. ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल कल्चर क्या हो गया? सेफ्टी पास्ड बाय वर्ड ऑफ माउथ, नो रिटर्न प्रोसीजर. ठीक है. अभी देखो वाज बीइंग रूइंड नहीं वर ओवर लिखना था. यहाँ पर व्हीकल मैंने व्हीकल लिखना था. यार तुमने यहाँ पर क्या लिखा? ए इंसिडेंट. तो एन इंसिडेंट लिखना था. वॉज अकेड मतलब अकेड लिखना था. प्रॉपर रिकॉर्ड ऑफ दम, प्रॉपर मेंटेनेंस एंड इंस्पेक्शन रिकॉर्ड्स लिखना था. कंपोटेंट पर्सन तो कंपोटेंट पर्सन लिखना था. नो एग्जिट मतलब डिड नॉट एग्जिस्ट लिखना था. There were no proper maintenance and inspection records, and no competent person was appointed to oversee vehicle safety, while significantly increased the risk of mechanical failure. ठीक है. तो when I raised the voice resources to maintain health and safety, MD ignored randomly. तो raised the voice मतलब raised concerns about, ignored randomly मतलब consistently dismissed this concern. ठीक है. लीडरशिप का ठीक है, डन हो गया. ठीक है, लीडरशिप. अगला ये कंप्लीट टास्क है. ठीक है. अब तुमने यहाँ पर लिखा सेफ्टी कल्चर इज पुअर एज ऑब्जर्व्ड, तो यहाँ पर आना था सेफ्टी कल्चर वॉज एक्सट्रीमली पुअर. ठीक है. नंबरियस वॉलेसन मतलब नंबरियस वॉलेसन. नो फॉर्म लास्ट मंथ लास्ट मैनी ईयर्स मीन्स स्पेनिंग मैनी ईयर्स. डज नॉट वॉन्ट कीप रिकॉर्ड मतलब फेल्ड टू मेंटेन रिकॉर्ड्स. नो पॉलिसी एंड प्लान मतलब नो रिटर्न पॉलिसी एंड सेफ्टी प्लान. कंपनी गोल इज जीरो टुवार्ड्स द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन सोवर्ड जीरो कमिटमेंट टुवार्ड. रिस्क असेसमेंट ऑल्सो मिस्ड द रिस्क असेसमेंट वर completely absent. वो क्या लिखा उन्होंने, द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन नेवर अटेम्प्ट टू आइडेंटिफाई और एलिमिनेट. ठीक है. यहाँ पर देखो एटीट्यूड क्या रहता है. हाउ ए पर्सन थिंक्स अबाउट सेफ्टी. मोटिवेशन व्हाट ड्राइवर्स ए पर्सन टू वर्क सेफली और सेफली. परसेप्शन में हाउ ए पर्सन सीज एंड अंडरस्टैंड द रिस्क. तो और यहाँ पर तुमने लिखा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन गोल एंड टारगेट टुवार्ड द वर्क. तो यहाँ पर लिखना था हाउ एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इज स्ट्रक्चर्ड एंड मैनेज्ड. हाउ दे ट्रीट द पीपुल मीन्स हाउ दे ट्रीट देयर पीपुल. हाउ ही रिएक्ट्स मतलब हाउ एन इंडिविजुअल रिएक्ट एंड बिहेव्स. ठीक है. डज ही रिपोर्ट अबाउट हजार्डस, तो वेदर दे रिपोर्ट हजार्डस ऐसे लिखना चाहिए. तो तुमने यहाँ पर लिखा सीम्स लाइक नथिंग दे डू नॉट नो. देयर वॉज ए लैक ऑफ अवेयरनेस लिखना चाहिए था इधर. तो मेंटेनेंस मेंबर इंटर्ड साइट मतलब ए फैमिली मेंबर ऑफ मेंटेनेंस वर्कड इंटर द साइट विदाउट एनीवन इन्फॉर्मिंग विदाउट ऑथराइजेशंस. अब तुमने यहाँ पर लिखा नेचर इज नेगेटिव मतलब डिमोन्स्ट्रेटेड ए नेगेटिव एटीट्यूड. डिड नॉट अंडरस्टैंड टू रिपोर्ट मतलब रिफ्यूज टू रिपोर्ट. डिनाइड दैट पर्सन साउंड मिस्टेक. ब्लेम्ड द विक्टिम फॉर द इंसिडेंट. नो टेक केयर ह्यूमन लाइव्स मतलब सोवर्ड कंप्लीट डिस्कार्ड फॉर ह्यूमन लाइफ. व्यू ऑफ हेल्थ एंड सेफ्टी जीरो मतलब डिमोन्स्ट्रेटेड जीरो कमिटमेंट टू हेल्थ एंड सेफ्टी. ठीक है. ब्लेम्ड द विक्टिम वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग लैंग्वेज. ठीक है. अंडरस्टैंडिंग अंडरमाइन द बाय ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कल्चर सोवर्ड करेक्शन. ठीक है. आगे देखते हैं. वॉट बिलीव ए पर्सन अबाउट रिस्क. वॉट ए पर्सन बिलीव्स अबाउट रिस्क. हाउ सर्वेयर इट कुड बी. हाउ सेवियर इट कुड बी. वॉट आर कॉन्सिक्वेंस कुड बी ए रिजल्ट. वॉट द कॉन्सिक्वेंस कुड बी ऐसा लिखना चाहिए था. ट्रैवलिंग कार इंस्टीड ऑफ ट्रैवलिंग प्लान मतलब ट्रैवलिंग बाई कार इंस्टीड ऑफ बाई प्लेन. हाइयर चांस ऑफ एक्सीडेंट मतलब सब स्टेटिस्टिकली हाइयर चांस ऑफ एक्सीडेंट. ठीक है. यहाँ पर तो मिलेगा आफ्टर मल्टीपल रिक्वेस्टिंग मतलब आफ्टर मेकिंग रिपीटेड रिक्वेस्ट देयर इज़ नो यूज ऑफ टू रिपोर्ट. देयर वॉज नो पॉइंट इन रिपोर्टिंग. एज यूजल नथिंग विल हैपन मतलब नथिंग वुड एवर चेंज. दिस थिंग सेव्ड इन हिज माइंड. दिस बिलीव बिकेम एम्बेडेड इन देयर माइंड्स. वाई ही हैज़ सो वरीड अबाउट थिंग मतलब वाई शुड दे वरी अबाउट सेफ्टी. ड्राइवर इज़ फाउंड ऑफ सीन एंड लीजिंग मतलब ड्राइवर्स बिकेम एक्यूमेस्टेड टू. अनसेफ कंडीशन एट साइट मतलब अनसेफ कंडीशन एट द साइट. नॉर्मलाइजेशन ऑफ डिवेनियंस. ठीक है. यहाँ पर देखो कंटिन्यूसली स्किप्स रिस्क परसेप्शन मतलब कंटिन्यूसली अंडरस्टिमेटेड रिस्क. मैनेजमेंट गिव हिम इंस्ट्रक्शंस मतलब मैनेजमेंट प्रेशर्ड ड्राइवर्स. ही थिंक्स मैनेजमेंट वॉन्ट्स वर्क ऑन टाइम. ड्राइवर्स perceived that management prioritized deadlines over safety. Open minded person are on the table मतलब मैनेजमेंट सो बट नो कमिटमेंट टू सेफ्टी. इग्नोरिंग रिस्क परसेप्शन मतलब इग्नोरिंग वर्कप्लेस हजार्डस. A person's view of risk is wrong or twisted. They think something is safe when it's actually dangerous. ILO यूनाइटेड नेशन एजेंसी दैट सेट्स इंटरनेशनल रूल्स एंड वर्कर्स राइट्स एंड सेफ्टी वर्ल्ड वाइड। ठीक है। R1 164 recommendations. It gives guidance on what employers must do to protect workers at the workplace. This, think of it simply a list of employer obligations toward work safety. देखो, the question asks about section 10A to 10G. These are 7 specific obligations. Let me show the simply. 10A, provide safe workplace and equipment. 10B, give information and training to workers. यहाँ पर देखो 10A, प्रोवाइड सेफ वर्क प्लेस एंड इक्विपमेंट। 10B, गिव इन्फॉर्मेशन एंड ट्रेनिंग टू वर्कर्स। 10C, सुपरवाइज वर्कर्स प्रॉपरली। 10D, नो चार्ज वर्कर्स फॉर सेफ्टी मेजर्स। 10E, कंसल्ट वर्कर्स ऑन सेफ्टी मैटर्स। 10F, रिपोर्ट एंड इन्वेस्टिगेट एक्सीडेंट्स। 10G, प्रोवाइड फर्स्ट एड एंड इमरजेंसी अरेंजमेंट। ठीक है। 10F, एम्प्लॉयर मस्ट रिपोर्ट एंड इन्वेस्टिगेट एक्सीडेंट एंड इंसिडेंट। अब तुम्हारा देखो सेफ्टी नंबर्स ऑफ सेफ्टी वायलेशन मतलब नंबर सेफ्टी वायलेशन लिखना था। मेंटेनेंस वर्कर इंटर्ड साइट तो मिलना था फैमिली मेंबर ऑफ ए मेंटेनेंस वर्कर इंटर्ड एट द साइट। डैमेज्ड बाय द फोर्कलिफ्ट ट्रक मतलब वाज स्ट्रक बाय ए फोर्कलिफ्ट ट्रक। एमडी टोटली डिनाइड मतलब द एमडी रिफ्यूज्ड टू रिपोर्ट। हायर मैनेजमेंट मतलब द इन्फोर्समेंट अथॉरिटी। इंडिविजुअल फॉल्ट्स टू कम एट साइट मतलब द विजिटर्स ऑन फॉल्ट फॉर बीइंग ऑन साइट। worker contacted by himself, the worker contacted the authority themselves instead of refusing that workers, instead of preventing the worker. Whole story, full details of the incident. To report accident is not blame anyone. Reporting an incident is not about blaming individuals. Prevent reoccurrence such an incident मतलब prevent reoccurrence of similar incidents. ठीक है। Prevent reoccurrence of similar incident मतलब always use the when explaining why incident reporting matters. Examiners laws. Regarding R164 recommendation 10A, the Holies company ठीक है हिसाब से। अब तुमने यहाँ पर क्या लिखा इन द परस्पेक्टिव होले कंपनी, तो यहाँ पर होना चाहिए द होलेज कंपनी फेल्ड टू प्रोवाइड ट्रक्स दैट आर 10 years old was being in operation मतलब many vehicles over 10 years old were still in operation. Workplace was not safe on company employees. The workplace was unsafe for both employees and visitors. Could not expected about outsiders. Remo already covered. Entering 10 years old through open fence hole. A 10-year-old child entered through a hole in the perimeter fence. Accidentally killed by a reversing lorry. Was fatally struck by a reversing lorry. No signages, no instructions. No warning signages or safety instructions. Lorry had no reversing alarm and camera. Lorries were not equipped with reversing alarm or cameras. No safety records, no maintenance or inspection records existed. Workers were not trained with their task. Workers were not trained for their specific roles. ठीक है। No competent person मतलब no competent person was appointed. Organization had no planning regarding safe working. The organization had no plan to ensure safe working condition. Systematically checked. अगला तुमने लिखा मेंबर ऑफ मेंटेनेंस टीम गॉट स्ट्रक बाय फोर्कलिफ्ट। ए फैमिली मेंबर ऑफ मेंटेनेंस वर्कर वाज स्ट्रक बाय ए फोर्कलिफ्ट। Demonstrates that worker has no basic knowledge, demonstrating lack of basic safety awareness. अगला लिखा with induction training were had to stopped such as induction training covering exclusion zones। ठीक है। exclusion zone तुमने लिखा exclusion zone ठीक है। There was no warning sign to convey the message. There were no warning signs to communicate hazardous. Facility by was fatally struck by reversing lorry. Lorry operator has nothing such as flagman. No trained banksman or flagman was provided. Workers stated that children entering at the site they have basic knowledge. They lacked basic safety knowledge. Staff totally unaware from hazardous. तो यहाँ पर आना चाहिए था staff पर completely unaware of workplace hazardous and risk. Past few years, numbers health and safety breach is health and safety breach over many years. There was no monitoring, no system in operational. There was no monitoring system in operation. Maintenance worker struck by forklift. Family member of maintenance ठीक है. No responsible person was present. No competent supervisor was present. Struck by a reversing lorry. Was fatality struck by reversing lorry. No monitoring and supervised by the higher management. Absence of monitoring and supervision by management. Absence documents such as risk assessment. Absence of documents such as risk assessment. Inspection checklist updated inspection checklist. ठीक है. Demonstrated a poor health and safety management system. Supervisory responsibilities were completely neglected. This means people in charge completely failed to do their duty to watching over workers and workplace. MD tore up provision notice, मतलब refused to spend money on safety. It would cost too much to comply. Prioritized money over safety. No reversing camera or alarm. Never purchased required safety equipment. Drivers had never invested in proper licensing. Broken fence never repaired. मतलब refused to spend money on site security. Lorries have found no reversing camera. Lorries were not equipped with reversing camera. Driver requested and discussed. Drivers repeatedly requested and raised concerns to rectify of all malfunctions to address these safety deficiencies. Conduct weekly meeting, remove, not in scenario. Consultations who could not solve the issue. Consultation was completely dismissed. When I got turn to discuss when worker consultation was raised, MD refused straightforward. The MD immediately refused. A 10-year-old child entered through open hands. A 10-year-old child entered through a hole in the perimeter fence. All reports went in the press. The incident was reported in the press. No emergency arrangement at the work site. No emergency arrangement existed at the work site. It totally demonstrated. This clearly demonstrated. Maintain poor health and safety. Extremely poor health and safety management. Maintenance worker injured. Family member of maintenance worker was injured. No first aid treatment available. No first aid treatment was available. No, as well as medical emergency, and no medical emergency procedure were in place. देखो इम्प्रूवमेंट नोटिस मतलब इंस्पेक्टर सेज फिक्स द प्रॉब्लम विद इन सेट टाइम. और प्रोविजन नोटिस क्या होता है? इंस्पेक्टर सेज स्टॉप दिस एक्टिविटी इमीडिएटली, इट्स टू डेंजर्स. और प्रोसिक्यूशन मतलब इंस्पेक्टर टेक्स कंपनी टू कोर्ट फॉर ब्रेकिंग द लॉ. Thus, improvement notice inspector should notice after finding the 6 breaches. Provision notice MD tore it up to front of inspector. Prosecution मतलब both company and MD were taken to court and fined. Found 26 different non-compliance. Found at least 6 health and safety breaches. Enforcement notice issued. Improvement notice were issued. Inspector returned days. The inspector returned after 21 days. Notice cannot be implemented. The notice would not be actioned because of would cost of too much. Stating compliance would much. He denied, completed, refused to comply. Prosecuted Holly's company and MD fined penalty. Both the company and MD were prosecuted and received fines. Failure to pay the fine. The MD failed to pay the fine. Presented in the court. The MD refused to engage with court officials. Action is non-negotiable. Actions were non-negotiable. Totally failure to manage legal formalities. Completely failed to comply with legal obligation. Unlimited fines मतलब court can increase the fine amount. Impeachment मतलब MD could go to prison. Driver disqualification मतलब MD banned from being a company director. Company closure, court can shut down the company. Company could have gone shut down मतलब the company could have been shut down. All the responsible person reached the court मतलब all responsible person were summoned to court. For a fatality मतलब following the child fatality. Investigation team could be called. A formal investigation would be conducted. Find out the root causes. Identify the root causes of the fatality. Consequences and might have present. Consequently, the MD could face imprisonment. Too much penalty, significant financial penalties. Disqualified from acting as a company director. This is very powerful. Legal consequences always mention this in inspection visits. मतलब regular site visit to check compliance, guidance and advice, help company understanding legal requirements. Enforcement notice मतलब issue notice when breaches are found. Prosecution, take legal action when necessary. ठीक है. What is insurer? Insurer is a company that provides insurance. Workers got injured, insurance pays compensation to workers. A company get prosecuted, insurance cover legal cost. Property gets damaged, insurer pays repairs. ठीक है. साइट विजिट मतलब विजिट एंड इंस्पेक्ट द कंपनी. रिकमेंडेशन मतलब सजेस्ट सेफ्टी इंप्रूवमेंट मतलब इंक्रीज प्रीमियम्स, चार्ज मोर मनी इफ कंपनी इज अनसेफ. रिफ्यूज इंश्योरेंस मतलब रिफ्यूज टू इंश्योर अनसेफ कंपनी. Insurance also visit the site. The insurer visited the site. At least one component person ठीक है. So the system can be checked to ensure health and safety was properly managed. Insurance act as advisor partners, not only coverage providers. Insurance can act as advisory partners, not only coverage providers. They appreciate safe behavior. They encourage and reward safe behavior. He can conduct site inspection. They can conduct site inspection. How committed? All is company committed. The level of commitment toward health and safety. Advisory partners मतलब insurance do more than just pay claims, then advise and guide companies on safety. Reduced premiums मतलब if company becomes safer, insurance charge less money. This motivates companies to improve. Behavior मतलब how a person act change मतलब make a different program मतलब plan process. अब ये behavioral program मतलब ये behavioral program change long process मतलब a structured and planned process. Modified person individual person मतलब modify and individuals. Action and action habits मतलब actions habit and attitudes. Their action towards health and safety ठीक है. Observe मतलब watch how workers currently behave. Measure record and say behaviors. Intervene मतलब train and coach workers to change. Reward recognize and reward safety behavior. Individual training regard their task मतलब providing individual training specific to their roles. Training can bring change मतलब training can bring positive change if managed systematically according to health and safety law in accordance with health and safety requirements. Workers can change their mindset. Workers can gradually change their mindset. Safe practice can implement at site. Safe practice can be implemented at the site. Their safe work should be appreciation. Safe behavior should be recognized. Award for the individual their task and rewarded accordingly. Targeted coaching मतलब training is specifically designed for one person, a specific problem or weakness. Ignored after said risk assessment. The MD demonstrated completely resistant to health and safety. Nothing as a risk. No such a thing as a risk. Person is responsible for own safety. Individual were responsible for their own safety. ठीक है. Driver made a habit to see unsafe site condition. Drivers had normalized unsafe working condition. Without management commitment, culture change cannot succeed. Hazard is anything. A hazard is anything. Severity to happening something. The likelihood and severity harm occurring if care is left load. If care is left load. ठीक है. Blind spot, rear blind spot मतलब limited rear visibility due to absence of reversing cameras. Pedestrian and worker distracted worker approximately. Pedestrian and unauthorized persons in the reversing path of vehicles. Overhead obstructions restricting vehicle movement. Environmental and the site contracts. Poor site layout creating distracted maneuvering space. Who is at risk? Worker is how likely is harm regular occurrence at the rate. How severe it harm, minor injury or fatality, or existing control of any current safety measures. Workers, visitors and children can harm. Workers, visitors and children at risk of harm could injured fatality. इंजरीज रेंजिंग फ्रॉम माइनर हार्म और फर्टिलिटी. प्रॉपर्टी डैमेज मतलब एंड सिग्निफिकेंट प्रॉपर्टी डैमेज्ड. रेगुलर अक्रेंस मतलब हार्म was highly likely given the regular security of the children entering the site. Provide trained banksman मतलब no trained banksman was the present. Competent person मतलब competent person. Are should not be monitored मतलब they are was not adequately monitored. Barricade and signs should be displayed. No barriers or warning signs were in place. Regular inspection and training was essential. Regular inspection and training were absent. New important phrase injuring ranging from minor harm to fatality means always identify and find dangers before accident happen. Legal requirement law requires it. Protect workers, keep people safe, prevent can stop same accident happening again. Effective control put right measures in place. To manage risk and action to identify, manage and control risk. To prevent accident and injuries is necessary. Preventing accident and injuries. CVR should work as protective and legally essential. CVR as both proactive tools and a legal requirement. Improving safety culture and efficiency. A risk assessment improves safety culture. Employer get fined and shut down. Employers face prosecution, fines and possible closure. It increase accident rate. मतलब without risk assessment accident rate increase. How to control hazard without proper planning. As hazard cannot be controlled without planning. Failure to prepare risk assessment organizations for legal action. Failure to conduct risk assessment expose organizations to legal action. Fatality could have been prevented. The child fatality could have been prevented. Less chance to company face legally. Reducing the likelihood of legal prosecution. Save company cost and increase more productivity. Reducing cost and improving productivity. Identify hazards before the harm occurs. This is the fundamental purpose of risk assessment. Always mention it. Lack of control मतलब management fail to manage safety. Basic causes मतलब root causes poor training, poor attitude. Immediate causes मतलब direct and safe condition. Incident मतलब this self injury, damage or death. क्या है loss. Lack of control मतलब no safety policy, no risk assessment, no supervision. Basic causes मतलब no training, poor safety culture, no safety. Immediate causes मतलब holes in not repeated, no reversal. Incident child entered through fence struck by a reversing lorry. Loss मतलब child fatality. No risk planning मतलब no safety management system. Employer did not want to invest money. Management failed to invest in health and safety. Totally poor safety culture मतलब an extremely poor safety culture existed. The immediate causes was the unrepaired hole in the perimeter fence. No basic things were rectified. Basic safety deficiencies were never addressed. A child entered through the hole and was fatally struck. No supervision of the management. Complete absence of management supervision. Using Bird's domino model, the child's fatality at the Horace company would have been predicted and prevented by identifying the chains of events leading to loss. Before any accident actions मतलब monitored carried out before an incident occurs. Reactive monitoring after accident मतलब monitoring carried out after an incident was occurred. Repairing the perimeter fence मतलब inspection of all operational vehicle, regular inspection of all operational vehicles. Train to employees regard training workers on safe working procedure. Could be thing right. Corrective action are be taken. Prevent reoccurrence of similar. Proactive मतलब before the event. Reactive मतलब after the event. Normalization of deviation मतलब accepting and safe condition as normal. Competent person मतलब trained and qualified persons. Proactive monitoring मतलब safety checks before incident occur. Phrase normalization of deviation मतलब accepting and safe as normal. Competent person root cause used to certain property.